Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. And as y'all can see by the title, today we're gonna be doing a unboxing slash like initial review of this wig that I got from Luvme. Here actually I'm gonna do two because it's two wigs up in here, but I don't know because one is my mama's, one I got from my mama and one I got for me. So I don't know if she want me to open her stuff because she's not home right now and it was a gift for her, but I am gonna open it and show y'all mine at least. We'll see if I do both of them. And it's a headband wig. They're both headband wigs. As y'all know, the lace shortage, that's why they started making headband wigs, even though I'm pretty late. I got another headband wig that I got like last month and I really like it, but I got that one from Eunice Hair, but I ordered it from Amazon. So we're gonna look at this one and we finna see what's to it. To start, you get this ribbon on it. I'm gonna take it off. When I give it to my mom, I'm gonna put it back on there. But I'm gonna take it off, and when we first open it up, okay, it smells straight like the factory. Okay, it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. Okay, Helena, thank you. I'll take that back out. Now I see on top is my hair because I got curly and I'm gonna get like a color. It comes with these 5 headbands and these 5 headbands. These is the wig caps. I'm sure it's two up in here. And then it has this little pouch. Okay. And in the pouch it has an edge brush and tweezers. That would be good if it was a lace, but I mean it's not. So. Bobby pins. This and then this like an edge scarf. Okay, this is the extra wig. You know, the little, what is these called? Garbanzo bags. In purple with the gold detailing. Okay, for starters, the curls look nice. I got this in 16 inches and curly because I want it to look like natural. The other one that I have is straight and I want this to look pretty natural. And I wanted 18, but they didn't have 18 and I didn't want to get 20 because, like I said, I wanted it to look natural. And okay, let me take the hairnet off. Y'all know how lunch ladies be having on the hairnets. It's really soft, like super soft. I kind of want to wet it for y'all and like condition and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so for starters, it's very soft, like it's super soft. I don't have no hair in my hands yet, just running through it, and now I do. As soon as I said that, one piece. For the inside, it has these clips on it. It has four clips and the actual headband. So it looks like this. I'm low-key like, okay, for the initial reviews, like it's cute, like what y'all want me to say? But I want to wet it and put some conditioner in it to see how it could really get brought to life. But I want y'all to see the curls before I wet it, because I don't really be liking them when they like this. It looks too, you know, it's up close. It's really soft. I want to feel my mama's too. And this is hers. Okay, hers is soft too. And it don't come with a, hers was not in no net. It was just like this. The inside got the top like that floral print. I think this be on all of them because my other one is like this as well. I don't know. Oh, it do got a net. It just wasn't on all the way. I don't know if this is body wave or what, but this is how it looks. It's pretty soft too. I feel like the other one is softer though. I mean, I guess they both soft. I guess that's because it's curly. But I got her this color because this is the color of her real hair. I mean, not her real hair, but she got her hair down this color. Yeah, it does. took a wig out of me. It do smell like the factory though, so I would say probably wash them first just because it does have that smell on there, but it feels super nice. I think this is 20 inches, so like no, put it on because it's my mama's, but the ends are kind of curly. I think this is body wave though. I'll put it on the screen if it is or if it is not, but this is the top. It literally looks like a regular hair, and this is up close for the color. Super cute, super cute. She's gonna like it. And yeah, I see this has an extra like stitching. Let me see if mine got it. Yeah, It got like an extra like line of stitching right here. On the other one I have, it's just like straight headband, but this like it's got the stitching right there, which is fine. So these are the two. Man, I look like this messed up because I only did half of it, but I'm gonna go wet this and probably come back and put it on. Okay, I wanted to let y'all see this fresh after. This is how much, literally, I didn't take it off just so y'all can see. This is how much hair came out when I was detangling it. It was a piece of thread right here. To me, this is like a moderate amount of hair since this is early hair. I don't know how it may be to y'all, but it's literally like this. And that's what came out. After I finger detangled it, I didn't put no product in it. I didn't comb it. I took the dimming brush out, but I didn't use it. And these are how the curls look now. As y'all can tell, it looks more natural. It just looks better. Like it looks more full. However, the ends, y'all see how it kind of goes pretty. It's not too thin, but it doesn't look like the top at all. Like you can see through the ends or whatever. So it just gets really thin on the ends. I don't know if that's because it's wet. So when it dries, we're gonna see, and this is 16 inches, but it looks kind of longer than 16 inches. But I'm sure when you stretch it, it's probably, it may be 16, I don't know, it may be longer. But I don't really have time to wait for this to dry, so I was literally just like shaking it. I don't know, because I was gonna try to diffuse it, but I don't know. I don't have a diffuser over here, I don't think. So I'm probably gonna just put this on and see how it look like. It's like damp, like it's not even soaking wet, it's like damp. Like it dries quickly maybe. But these are the curls, like, you know, a little in-depth. And it, let me see if it smells better than this one. Yeah, it definitely smells better than this one. I didn't even put nothing in it, but it smells better than that one. Cause I just wet it, I didn't do nothing, I just wet it. But I'm about to put this on. I'm gonna put on one of the little headbands. When I wore my other one, I didn't put on none of the headbands that came with it. Like I never wore none of them. But I'm about to put it on just for y'all. So let's take this off. Okay, let's address it. I was finna do my edges for y'all, but I'm sorry, I cannot do my edges for y'all because I'm not really going anywhere. I mean, not right now. I gotta take my exam. My last exam before I'm officially done with school. This the wig after me. Yeah. That was my explanation for why I'm not on edges. I've been putting on 2 wig caps. I heard somebody was like, I put on 2 for maximum, like, so it could be as flat as possible. And so that's what I've been doing. I'm not even gonna put no clips on it because I don't want to. Sometimes it be that simple. Like stuff don't even be requiring an explanation. I just don't want to. Should I have done this in a mirror? Maybe so. This feels a little tight though. The other, I'm not gonna keep comparing it to the other one, but the other one that I have is like, it feels more loose than tight. Like it feel like it's a little too big for my head, but this one feel a little tight. It's not too tight though, y'all. I just be talking. It looks kind of strange to me. I think it'll look better when it dries. When I have curls, I like for my curls to be big. So to me, this is like, normally I like roll. Okay, I pull this back. And then like I roll it up and then I put my little headband on top. Let me show y'all. I feel like this headband just make it look better, like. Oh, okay. No, let me quickly in. But, okay. As y'all can tell, as it started to dry, it did get bigger. It's still honestly not completely dry, but like it's, for the most part, it's dry. Like this is something that I would go outside wearing because it's that dry. Like it's, y'all don't see no water, none of that. And I like it. I feel like the length is good. And like I said, now that it has started to dry, the ends don't look like they're, you know, super loose. It's, the curls still have some definition, even though it got bigger. There is still definition within the hair. Showing y'all up close. And yeah, y'all know I ain't do my edges, but this is 16 inches. I feel like this is, I'm actually glad that I got the 16 instead of the 18 because this just looks more natural, you know. It looks more natural. Let's see if I could do a little style. Okay, the ponytail is cute too. With a half up, half down is cute too. It does look pretty natural. I don't know how the back looks. Y'all will know before me, but From the feel of it, the back looks okay. It's not the back. The back looks okay. And yeah, I could do a bun too, but y'all, when I was putting a ponytail in, I almost put the wig back because y'all know I didn't put on no clips or nothing. Like I just put in the thing. Okay, so a bun is kind of cute too. I prefer the ponytail though, but a bun would be cute too if it was like this size. Oh, okay. But yes, I think I like the ponytail. Nobody's gonna know. Nah, people would know. But I definitely like the fact that it's curly better because when I first got the straight one, I was like kind of blue because I just had to push back too much. I felt like it didn't match my texture of hair, but I like this curly one. And yeah. Okay, and that is all that I have for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to see more like me trying out different outfits, company you want me to try, I'll try it out. I don't know how to do the little lace and stuff, but I am trying to learn how to. So make sure to subscribe for more and to join me on this experience, and check the description box for any details because I'll put them down there. And that's all I have for you all today. Stay blessed, stay up, and